My name is Geoffrey Mpongire. Welcome to the Divisor Finder program. This is the Divisor Finder program that reads a positive integer and puts out all the positive divisors of the integer. I have used the C++ program language to create this program. This program will find and display all the positive divisors of positive integer you enter. You can enter a new positive integer, find its divisors, and enter a non-positive integer to quit. Using a while loop, this is the number that the user will enter, for example, 100, 300, or 38, for you be in position to have positive divisors of the integer. Below here, if we are to use the if functions, create the code that will run this program successfully. This below here, this code will check whether the number is an integer. As we go forward, we go ahead and we look at here. This message will return if the number entered is a 0. As we continue creating the code, show you how this program can run successfully. Here, the divisors of the number that is an integer are entered here, which are kept in the standard cout of the integer. This loop below here, the loop below here, it will ask if the user wants to continue with the program as quoted. Would you like to enter the integer? Y means yes. N, capital N, means no. So, if you enter yes, then it will interpret the user's value of what you are actually going to enter. So, this program here ends. The computer will run 0. This is the last step of my program, as I learned from the V class lectures. So I am going to take you to the next step, whereby I am going to run this program, show you how effectively it can execute and give you the positive divisors of a positive integer. So as I run this program now, it is going to welcome you to the divisor program, and here it is going to ask you to please enter a positive integer, and I will give you an example of 36. Then I press enter and it will bring all the divisors of the positive integer. All of them, they bring them here. So it will ask you the next step. Would you like enter another positive integer? Y is yes, N is no. So I will press yes, and I press enter and I try 48. When I put 48 and I run the program, enter, it will bring all the divisors of 48. And it will continue to ask you another integer, whereby here I will press no, and then I press enter, and it will exit the program by returning to 0. So this program is successful. It is very good. It is working wonderful. And I end here.